to this Pattern Keeper tutorial. This video is around exporting and importing your progress of your chart. So we'll go back to Sake Dragon. So this is the chart that I've been using in some of the previous videos, and we can see that we've got some progress marked up here, and I'd like to back it up into the cloud, you know, in case my device breaks, or maybe actually I just want to put it up there because I'm getting a new device and I want to import my progress on my new device. So in order to do that, we need to go into our list view, and as you can see, we've got a button at the bottom of each chart. So if I tap on that button, you can see there are a number of options. Open chart will take me into the chart. Edit legend will take me into the view where I can change the floss numbers and the colors and check that the symbols have been assigned to the correct color. I can also import and export my progress, which are new features in this release of the software, or I can export my entire PDF. So if I want to put my PDF into another PDF reader application, I can export the entire PDF. Here, I just want to export my progress. So I tap Export Progress. It will calculate that, and then it will ask me, where do I want to save the file? So just like in the previous videos, you have to determine whereabouts it's going to be saved. I use Dropbox, so these are all determined on what cloud services I have, or my device's file services. So I'm going to add it to Dropbox. And I need to navigate to the folder that I want to store the chart in if you've created folders. So this is where I'm going to store the progress. I'll tap Add. And that's now saved onto Dropbox for me. So what you can see on the right hand side here is I've imported a clean version of Sake Dragon, so a completely unused version of Sake Dragon, so that we can see the import of my progress. So again, we'll tap on the little button and we're going to import the progress to this chart. Again, I need to navigate to where my progress file is. We'll go to my Pattern Keeper exports, and I can see that I've done a progress file, pk_progress, 4 minutes ago, 24 seconds ago. So I'll select that, and it says it's successfully imported. I'll open my chart. We just zoom out a bit, and you can see the progress that I had previously done on my other chart is now imported onto this chart.